Stop. If you're starting a faceless YouTube channel in 2026, you're either about to make money or waste the next 6 months of your life. Because right now, thousands of people are uploading videos every day, but 90% of them are already in dead niches. And the other 10%? They're quietly printing money with videos you never even notice. In this video, I'll show you 5 niches that are completely dead, and 5 that can literally change your income in 2026. Same quotes, same music, same stock clips. No originality equals no audience. Ask yourself, when was the last time you watched one till the end? Yes, they worked in 2023. Now, oversaturated, zero uniqueness, quick views, no retention, no money. Views don't pay, watch time does. You don't own the content and YouTube knows it. This is the biggest trap right now. Just because AI made it doesn't mean people want to watch it. Now here's where it gets interesting. One video can make more than 10 viral videos in other niches, because rich audiences equals expensive ads. People don't scroll away from stories, they need to know what happens next. That's how you get 80% retention. The earlier you enter, the easier it is to grow. Why did this company fail? Why did this one make billions? Humans are addicted to success and failure. Simple idea. Teach something valuable in an entertaining way. This is where viral meets evergreen. Here's the truth nobody tells you. You don't need millions of views. You need the right audience. One finance video can earn more than 1 million meme views. If you want to start a faceless channel in 2026, don't follow trends. Comment guide and I'll show you exactly how to start one step by step.